How do I write JSON data to a file? How do I write JSON data stored in the dictionary data to a file? This gives the error. Type error, must be string or buffer, not dict.
Data is a Python dictionary. It needs to be encoded as JSON before writing. Use this for maximum compatibility, Python 2 and 3. On a modern system, i.e. Python 3 and UTF-8 support, you can write a nicer file using See JSON documentation.
To get UTF-8 encoded file as opposed to ASCII encoded in the accepted answer for Python 2 use. The code is simpler in Python 3. On Windows, the encoding equals UTF-8 argument to open is still necessary. To avoid storing an encoded copy of the data in memory, result of dumps, and to output UTF-8 encoded byte strings in both Python 2 and 3, use the codex.getWriter call is redundant in Python 3 but required for Python 2. Readability and size. The use of ensure_ASCII equals false gives better readability and smaller size. Further improve readability by adding flags indent equals 4, sort_keys equals true, as suggested by Dinos66, to arguments of dump or dumps. This way you'll get a nicely indented sorted structure in the JSON file at the cost of a slightly larger file size.
I would answer with slight modification with aforementioned answers, and that is to write a prettified JSON file which human eyes can read better. For this, pass sort_keys as true and indent with 4 space characters and you are good to go. Also take care of ensuring that the ASCII codes will not be written in your JSON file.
Read and write JSON files with Python 2+3, works with Unicode. Explanation of the parameters of JSON, dump. Indent, use 4 spaces to indent each entry, for example when a new dict is started, otherwise all will be in one line. Sort_keys, sort the keys of dictionaries. This is useful if you want to compare JSON files with the diff tool, put them under version control. Separators, to prevent Python from adding trailing white spaces. With a package. Have a look at my utility package mpu for a super simple and easy to remember one. Create a JSON file. Common file endings. .json. Alternatives. CSV, super simple format, read and amp, write, JSON, nice for writing human readable data, very commonly used, read and amp, write. YAML. YAML is a superset of JSON, but easier to read and amp, write. Comparison of JSON and YAML. Pickle, a Python serialization format, read and amp, write. Message pack, Python package, more compact representation, read and amp, write. HDF5, Python package, nice for matrices, read and amp, write. XML, exists 2-side, read and amp, write. For your application, the following might be important. Support by other programming languages, reading, writing performance, compactness, file size. See also, comparison of data serialization formats. In case you are rather looking for a way to make configuration files, you might want to read my short article configuration files in Python.
For this help, please insert your